warm-blooded vertebrates with feathers and bills.
Feathers help birds stay warm.
Wings and light and bones help most birds fly.
All birds hatch from eggs. They breathe air through their lungs.
Most of the country dries. Eastern North America's summer will turn up a few eastern bluebirds sitting on telephone wires on perches, adopt a nest box calling out in a short wavering voice, or erratically dropping the ground after an insect.
Some environment or animal clubs' most popular thing to do is bird watching.
Mammals are live-born.
Mammals have hair or fur. A person is a mammal because a person has hair and they breathe through their lungs and it gives life birth. Dolphins are mammals because they don't breathe through gills.
Mammals are warm-blooded.
Amphibians. How is an amphibian an amphibian? Some amphibians have gills and lungs. Amphibians can live in water and air. Amphibians have eggs. Did you know that most salamanders have 4 toes on each leg? The noise that a frog makes is like the clicking sound is part of their mating call. Vertebrates that lived on this. Most amphibians develop lungs to live on
Earth.
Amphibians are cold-blooded, so that means that they depend on their surroundings.
The life cycle of amphibians.
Amphibians go from egg to larva or tadpole to adult, like an adult frog or adult pansy or adult salamander, or even an adult toad. Most amphibians like wetlands. And they also like streams and ponds.
Fish group.
Mammals protect their babies and fish don't.
Mammals feed their babies and fish never.
Mammals have fur and fish don't.
Mammals give birth and fish don't.
I'm going to teach you a little bit about reptiles.
This is me and Mackenzie's poster, and all reptiles have scales, and most of them lay eggs.
This is what most reptiles lay, and that's what mammals lay. Reptiles normally lay eggs, while mammals normally lay them not in eggs. And we got some fun facts here. This is a true or false. Do pit vipers have pits? It's true. And this is a fun fact. Did you know that Komodo dragons are considered monsters? This is a Komodo dragon, and they can squirt venom. They are the most dangerous of all reptiles and some of the most dangerous animals on the entire planet. One of the most, at least.
Yeah.
Who's the food?
Easter. What has scaly skin? Crocodiles, tortoises, lizards, and snakes all have scaly skin, and they are all reptiles. Their skin is also dry and very tough. Reptiles have a skeleton inside their bodies and a backbone. All reptiles are cold-blooded. This means they need to sunbathe each morning to keep warm. Most reptiles also lay their eggs on dry land. This is an iguana, this is a crocodile, and this is a giant tortoise. Who is Supermom? Most reptiles do not look after their young, but crocodiles do. Crocodiles cover their eggs with soil and grass to keep them warm, and also to hide them from enemies. When the babies hatch, the mother gently carries them in her mouth to the water.
And we have some more in the back. Which reptiles wear armor? Turtles, tortoises, and trapsons have a hard shell built into their skeleton that is kind of like a suit of armor. The shell is made of two pieces, a top and a bottom, with openings for the head, legs, and tail.
Which snake seems to fly? Tree snakes can glide through the air. These snakes live high in the treetops to move around. They push themselves up into the air. They make their bodies flat to glide more easily.
Who can walk on water? The tiny bell-sack lizard can walk on water, but it has to move fast. The lizard can cross a pond without sinking if it runs. The lizard runs upright like this when it's being chased, and that's what it runs like.
Which reptiles share a feast? When a crocodile catches a big animal, others nearby join in the feast. This is because a single crocodile can't tear up a large animal by itself. Fast food. Charmeleons have a very long, sticky tongue, which darts out to catch insects that come close. True or false?
Reptile eggs are like bird eggs. False. Most reptile eggs have a tough, leathery shell to keep the baby inside safe. Bird egg shells are tend to easily be broken. Some geckos lay eggs that are more like a bird's eggs. Lizard has no legs.
Some chameleons are cross-eyed. Reptiles all have scales, and they are the most dominant species other than humans.